So they see that, okay, Dr. Anastasakis, Dr. K is like flying first class with Emirates, and that other guy in Turkey is like flying with Ryanair. This is totally wrong. Why? Because aviation is extremely regulated. Everything is regulated. And the safety you have with Emirates First Class and Ryanair is actually the same. I may tell you that even with Ryanair, it might be even a little bit higher. However, in the hair restoration field, nothing is regulated. It's so unregulated that it's not illegal. It's not illegal. It's gray. Non-doctors performing the surgery in practically every country in the world. So it is so unregulated that it goes over the head of most patients. And they make this mistake to say, no, it's just service and the name. No, it's 100% about safety. If you go to a respectable surgeon like the ones that you have in your society, the plane will land. In most other cases, the plane will crash.
Well, that's a great analogy, Doc, and one I've never heard of, but it's one that hopefully patients will realize that this is not a cookie cutter type of procedure. It is. There are so many nuances to it that for the average patient that's just finding out about hair restoration and they're desperate because they want to get their hair back as quick as they possibly can. They're not prepared to do the research onto it, and they think that anybody can perform this procedure for the most part the same. Expectations aren't necessarily in line with where they need to be and around the reality of hair restoration. And what they do is they're governed by price, sadly, and they essentially have to end up learning the hard way.